In today's video we would like to share the experience of making a table under frame from a metal profile pipe in the loft style. When buying a profile pipe, it should be noted that it can be cold rolled and hot rolled. The difference is that hot rolling involves heating the steel billet to a temperature of about 900 degrees Celsius. Due to the thermal expansion of the heated metal, its actual dimensions in the cooled state are difficult to accurately measure, so the permissible size errors are higher. Therefore, hot rolled metal is suitable for any purpose where there is no need for a perfectly flat surface, but there is a goal to save money. A cold rolled sheet has a perfectly smooth surface, a uniform structure and higher accuracy in measurements. We bought a hot rolling pipe for the manufacture of our substructure. In general, for this project we needed about 5 meters pipes of 50 mm to 25 mm and about 3 meter pipes of 25 mm to 25 mm. By the way, the wall thickness of all pipes is 2 mm. Having previously calculated the dimensions of the blanks, we proceed directly to cutting them using an angle grinder. You need to try to make the cuts as smooth as possible, so that you don't have to refine them later. And of course, do not forget about safety. So the blanks for the legs from the pipe 50 to 25 are ready. And now you need to do the same and cut the parts for the upper frame from the pipe 25 to 25 mm, which will be directly screwed from the countertop. We decided to make the underframe collapsible, and therefore we will need an 8M threaded rivets and accordingly bolts for them. We outlined the places where it's necessary to make holes and start drilling. Further, during assembly it will be more clear what they are needed for. It is best to drill with the drill stand, which allows you to make holes more or less smoothly, and even better with a drilling machine, since the holes must pass through the pipes, and in order for the construction to assemble correctly, alignment must be observed. After the work with the drilling machine is finished, we proceed to welding. We clean the seams with the pedal circle until we get a flat plane, something like this. Before painting, the metal surface needs to be cleaned of rust, and here we decided to use a soft attachment with the Velcro on the grinder and ordinary sandpaper. And as practice has shown, the idea was not very successful, since the sandpaper circles were worn off instantly. In general, for this purpose, it is better to use an ordinary pedal circles. So the surface is cleaned. Now we thoroughly degrease everything and cover our work pieces with an acrylic 2-component primer. When the soil is dry, we remove all small flaws and smudges with fine sandpaper. After carefully reading the instructions, we mix the 2-component acrylic paint in the proportions we need and paint the blanks white. Next we need to install threaded rivets, and we will do this with the help of riveter. Of course you can clamp them with the bolt and the 2 nuts, but it will take a lot of time and nerves. We install the adjustable legs and proceed to the assembly of the base. Due to the fact that the legs are attached to the side, they get 2 points of support, and this gives rigidity and stability to the structure. In the next video we will make a countertop for this underframe, and we will make it from ceramic tiles. So in order not to miss it, be sure to subscribe to this channel, click the bell, and of course smash the like button to this video. And my name is Dennis, and this is Handy Dudes, and see you next time!